We're asked to work out here the total surface area of a prism. There's no real formula for the surface area of a prism. You've just got to work out the areas of all the individual faces. So it helps to think how many faces this prism actually has. So I'm going to start by looking at the base of the prism. Now that's here, and in fact this base is actually a rectangle, and the rectangle is 10 centimeters one way and 8 centimeters another. Now there's only one of those bases, so the base is 10 by 8, and there's one of those. Okay, I've also got the two end triangles. If I just show those in a different color, I've got an end triangle which is here, okay, and I've got the same triangle on the other end because it's a prism. So I know that I've got two triangles, so I've got two of them. Now each of those triangles, it tells you that its perpendicular height is 12. Now it's an isosceles triangle, so that perpendicular height actually comes in the middle here, and I know that this is 10 centimeters. So I should be, and there are two of those. Okay, let's just rub out my colors that I put on here. Now I've also got two identical faces. Let's just do them in a different color, in blue. Two identical faces which are here. Okay, so one of them is over this side, and I've got another one which is over this side, and they are both the same, and both of them, so if I just shade this one in here, both of them are actually rectangular. And if we look at, if I just sketch one sort of from sort of looking straight at it, it's 8 centimeters that way, and it's 13 centimeters that way. And there are two of these, okay, so times 2. So all I actually need to do is work out the area of each of these. Now if I look at the area of this one, it's a rectangle, so I just do the length times the width. So the area of this one is 80 square centimeters. If I look at this one, there are two of them, but the area of each of them is 13 times 8, and if I do 13 times 8, that comes out as 104. But there are two of them, so these two together times 2 comes out as 208 centimeters squared, so 104 times 2, so I've now got 80 and I've got 208. Now if I look at this, I've got two triangles. Each triangle has a base of 10 and a height of 12. So the area, remember the area of a triangle is half base times height. I can do then 12 times 10, or and then halve it, so it's 120 halved, which is 60, or I could do 12 times 5, still 60, or I could do 10 times 6, which is still 60. So the area of one triangle is 60, but there are two of them, so 60 times 2 is 120 square centimeters. Now to work out then the total surface area, I'm going to do my 120 plus the 208 plus the 80. So if I add those together, that comes out as 408 centimeters squared, and that's the total surface area.